Hey everybody, happy Maker Monday. I am so excited today, and I'm sure that you are so excited today because you are probably home from school on this Columbus Day. We observe Columbus Day every year in October to think back about when America was discovered, when the Nina, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria sailed across the ocean all the way over to America, and they found this new land. Now, of course, this land was already here. There were already people living on it, which is why we will eventually, next month, celebrate Thanksgiving. And we will get there soon. Because of it being Columbus Day, your Maker Monday challenge this week is to create a brand new land. So you are going to come up with a map of what your land looks like. So with this land and with this week's project, you're going to do a couple different things. First, you're going to come up with a map. What your land looks like, what shape it is, are there any roads, are there any rivers, lakes, mountains? Show me what your land is, what it looks like. Then you're going to tell me where your land was found. Was it found somewhere on Earth? Was it found on another planet? Was it found somewhere deep in outer space, maybe underwater? Get creative with it. I want to know where your land is. Then you're going to tell me what you're going to call it. Come up with a name for it. It could be anything. It's your land. You get to name it whatever you want. Then you're going to draw what the flag looks like. So your land's flag. What color is it? Does it have a logo on it? Think of our American flag and what the stars and the stripes stand for. Then the last thing you're going to tell me is the national food. What kind of food comes from your land? What kind of dish is served? Macaroni and cheese, chicken wings. Maybe it's some fancy dish that you created, like candy sushi or something really silly. Have fun with it. Make a video, put it on Flipgrid. Maybe you bring me in your papers that you draw and come up with. But I'm really excited to see what you guys come up with, what you name your lands. So I hope you have a really great day off. I will see you tomorrow on Tuesday. Have a good night. Have a good week.